Life to me is a totally unique experience. It's going there with complete strangers and coming out with a new family.
What I will take home from this experience is to really connect through a hug. A hug just doesn't have to be a greeting. A hug can be a way to ask and feel how someone's doing.
It's about deep, intimate relationships. Getting inspired by speakers who are living lives the way that they want to live. Doing things that are making a difference in the world. And being so open to help others do the same.
Island life is all about personal growth, positive changes, learning how to change the world in the best way possible.
On the island, I learned to bring in more self-love every day.
To be young and in love in New York City.
What I'm going to take home from this experience is a new outlook on life and really be grateful for our time here because it's so short.
Island life, in one word, to me, was transformative.
If I could describe island life in one word, it would be inspirational.
Island life reminded me of life's infinite opportunities.
I knew from the first time I stayed for a long time, 'cause
sometimes we need to disconnect from technology to reconnect with what really matters.